Hey crypto fam, want to connect your Okx wallet to Grass protocol and start earning rewards by sharing unused bandwidth? Let's do this fast. Just grab your device and follow these steps. First, make sure you have the Okx Wallet browser extension installed. Head to the Chrome Web Store and search for Okx Wallet, and click to add to Chrome. Once installed, open the extension, create a new wallet, or import one using your seed phrase and set a strong password. Now go to app.getgrass.io, click register or log in to access your Grass dashboard. On the dashboard, head to the Rewards tab and click Connect. Wallet. Select Okx Wallet from the list. A pop-up from Okx Wallet will appear. Confirm the connection by clicking Connect. Make sure you're on the Solana network as Grass uses it. Back on Grass, your wallet address should now show up. You're connected. You can start earning Grass points by sharing your bandwidth. And that's it, guys. You've connected your Okx wallet to Grass in just a few minutes. Check your rewards on the dashboard and explore the Grass ecosystem. For more details, visit Okx Support Center, drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next crypto tutorial.